sure you're rolling when you're ready.
Yeah. That little satellite on it? Yeah, the little dash. Yep.
Okay. All right.
It looks like we have doors facing towards us. And I'd like to get a re-description again on this dude.
I sent an email with the picture.
Let me see it real fast.
What's his description?
Let's show everyone on the stack what.
Yeah. While you guys are here, we're gonna push up a photo to you.
And Warren, what do you think about the plan here? We're gonna have to move up and make contact.
Yeah, we're gonna have to.
Show me my phone's on me. Okay. So who are we waiting on?
All right, so we'll stay in two teams. If you want to control, you're with Warren, you're with Osco, Harvey, and K9. We'll stick together as a team, and we'll divide the building when we move up. Kind of work off each other like boards there. We'll see what's the best access to keep containment on the building, and then we'll go from there.
Okay. So we'll start with containment, and then we'll move into contact. All right. So we're going to start with containment and move to contact. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to start setting up a contact or a containment, and then we're going to sit in a team.
And I'm guessing there.
Just so you guys are aware, we have Yoon and Saloka kind of to the north here. So if he pops out while we're rolling up, we have 2 officers there. So be aware of that. All right. Lauren, we're ready. I thought we already said a 44.
No, we can't tell that one because we were so fucking late now.
So it should be.
You guys ready?
We're ready.
Yes.
Should be this one here with the light, correct? Okay.
Building number again?
Right?
Yep. Bottom right as
Austin.
Yep.
All right. So what we're going to do is try to figure out the best way to contain the apartment. Once we contain the apartment, then we're going to work on a contact room. Don't worry about me, Austin. I got your door. Slow down just a bit. Slow down just a bit. There you go. Right here. It's fine. It's good. Should be right here. You tracking with me? Okay. Alright, door's open. See it? See it? You, take cover on that door. Pointing the door.
Take your cover, take your cover. Take cover. Hey, spread out that way. Spread out that way.
Mail at the door.
Mail at the door.
Your command.
Hey, you guys go right, we go left. Stay left. Stay left.
Anchorage Police, you inside? They saw us.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm gonna take my team. We're gonna go in case we have to move up on there.
Awesome, move up here. No, you just move up here, please. Take this spot here. Take this spot here. There you go. No, I got you. We got a female moving.
Our team is rescue team. You guys deal with suspects.
Okay. Come here, please. You're right here. And then you. All right, cool. I want to hop on the radio. You, and just so you're aware, it's the 3rd building to your west, and it's the bottom floor. X25, we're making contact. Mail coming out. Hands up! He's armed. Hands up! Get ready with that dog. Hands up! Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired! Don't move!
We're good. We're good.
I got the radio! We got it!
Move it.
Moving up! Hands up! Hands up!
On me. On me.
Send
On
medics
me.
ready.
Push it. On me. On me. And with police.